Are you one of those folks that are still wondering how you fold a fitted sheet so that it doesn't look like it was just wadded up and thrown into the linen closet? Well, let me show you how I learned to fold them many years ago by watching my mother-in-law do her laundry. Before that, mine truly did look like they had been wadded up. The trick is to get all four corners together. I managed to get all four corners lined up together with one hand under them. Then I'll lay the sheet down on a table or the bed or whatever. And fold it over a couple of times. And there you have it. So let's look at that again. Start lining up the corners. I start with one corner and put one finger up in that little pointed edge. Then I take the next one and add it. Then I go to the other end and line the other two up. And line them up by just putting one finger up into that little crevice. And then I put the two together. The two together. And then lay it on a flat surface. Lay the sheet on a flat surface. Straighten the other two edges. And fold it 2/3 of the way in. And then fold it over the other third. Then all you have to do is do a little straightening, and there you have it. It's really not hard. You gotta just get those four corners matched. Now that will look much neater to put into the linen closet. Thanks for stopping by.